줬더했지 힘이 예쁘게 눈이 몰린 차 안에서 주고받은 선물 같이.
Hello vlog, welcome back to my channel. For today's videos, we proceed to another hot coffee flavor. Our second hot coffee flavor to be discussed, guys, is about salted caramel. So this is our hot coffee flavor, salted caramel. So guys, today's videos, we try to make an actual again procedure this salted hot coffee flavor caramel. So guys, let's start our actual procedure so that we will finish early our discussion. Okay guys, let's start. Let's go. Our first steps again, guys, is we need this glass. Always we need this glass and the weighing scale. Read 0 first our weighing scale. See like this. Read 0 first. So guys, read 0 first our weighing scale. Yeah, okay. Then our salted caramel, guys, is 30 grams. Drop 30 grams of our caramel flavor. 30 grams of caramel flavor. $24, $27, $29, class. Okay guys, 30 grams of salted caramel flavor for our hot coffee latte. Now we need espresso. So here's our espresso so that we can make an latte art, draw a latte art. Next step, to make an espresso, we have already here our flavor, 30 grams of caramel flavor. Now we need so this guys, this is we need more espresso. Okay, we have already espresso. We need to fix first this one. Fix first. We need to fix it first. Clockwise. Good. Good wala. Guys, our next step is we need to make a foam first so that we can draw a latte art. guys, mix first our flavor. We mix first our flavor. Mix our flavor, then after we make it a latte art inside the glass. So we already finished. So draw a latte art inside the glass. So guys, we already have salted caramel hot flavor coffee. Our salted flavor caramel is already here. It's very easy. No added sugar inside. This is the sugar. This is the sugar. We have sugar here. We have a sugar here. If you want to put inside sugar, problem. And then if you want outside, so that you can balance the taste. So that's it guys, our salted caramel flavor coffee. So we have already salted caramel flavor coffee. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much, and thank you.